Yeah, there you go.
Now we're gonna...
Okay, so that's step one, straightening your wheels out so you don't accidentally hit the gas and end up on the grass. So that's step one. Step two is to get your car ready for takeoff. And step three is what I call SMOG, which you're already picking up on. Signal, mirror, over the shoulder. SMOG. G is for, do you know what G is for?
No.
Go.
Go.
Signal, mirror, over the shoulder, go.
Got it.
Or give her gas. We'll make it right here.
Is this lady on the pavement?
Uh-oh.
A little bit. I'll go extra wide for her.
Yeah, that's good. So you're not spooking her.
Yeah.
If you look ahead here, it kind of looks like the road goes left and right.
Yeah.
But
That's just a driveway?
Yeah, it's just like extra space for people to pull in and out of their driveway. So you can ignore all that extra space and just kind of
stay on the road.
Yeah. And then we're going to keep going straight here. You like driving?
Yeah.
It's fun, eh?
Yeah.
It's a totally different world.
Yeah, I know. I think I'm eligible for my test June 4th.
Cool. Okay.
Hopefully I can get all my stuff done by then. I'm not sure though.
I'm gonna book you some more hours there too.
Okay.
What's your best availability?
It'd be like after 5.
Okay.
Just well, I don't know. I can do before. I go to the gym every day, so I'd like, I don't know if it's possible. But
We can do evenings, yeah.
If it doesn't work with your schedule, like, it's all right.
I've got some slots open there for the evenings if you need them.
Sure. Thank you very much.
And we'll make a left turn here. So what I'll do when I get home is I'll book the lessons for you.
Okay.
But pending your confirmation, basically, I'll send you a text.
Okay.
With the different days, the dates, and all that.
Yeah, it should work out pretty well.
Okay. I also have some weekends too that I think there's some weekends available, if I recall correctly here. But
And then during the weekends, probably like midday.
yeah, okay.
Or whatever. It doesn't really matter actually on the weekend.
Okay.
Whenever you're available.
Okay. Sounds good.
Guessing we're parking on here somewhere?
Yes, sir. We're gonna just down a little bit more.
Right here?
A little bit more. We'll go by that black truck there, just between the two driveways.
Which
this
one?
driveway and the black truck.
This
So
one right
pulling
here?
over, yeah. Signal.
Signal. Check. We're looking at the bump. About there.
Yeah, you got her. Awesome.